Hi guys, my name is Matt, and in this video, I'm going to provide some tips for how to order premium rims for your Ridemakerz Ride on our website. So here we are at our ridemakerz.com website, and we're going to click on the Shop Now link, which brings you to this page. This is for if you were to order a new ride, and then below that is if you're just ordering spare parts. For this video, we're just going to order some premium rims. So we're going to select on the premium rims icon, and that brings you over here to our category page. So these are all the different things that we sell on our website, and as you can see, we're already here on our premium rims link. So under that, there's three categories. There's rims for rides with large front tires, rims for rides with small front tires, and rims for rides with monster tires. So just to explain a little bit about what this means is that we have different sizes of chassis that take different size rims and tires. So for an example, if you were to go back to look at our different rides here, you can see here is the Camaro, and this has a smaller front tire, and then below that is the Corvette that takes a larger front tire. So this is the reason for why it asked that. We just want to ensure that you're ordering the correct rims that are going to fit your car. And then all of our ride bodies also fit on a monster truck that also take a different rim and a different tire as well, as you can see here. Okay, so we're going to go back to the premium rims here, and we're going to say we're ordering rims for the Corvette. So we'll select the rims for rides with large front tires, because that's what the Corvette takes. These here show all of our different options of rims that you can select. So for this video, we'll select these Cyclone rims over here. All right, and then when you get to this page, you always want to pay close attention just to double check to make sure you're ordering the correct one. So down here in the description, it lists right here ride bodies with large front rims and tires, and these are the ones that it fits. So again, we're ordering for a Chevy Corvette, so that looks good. We know that's going to fit, and we simply add to cart. All right, it populates your cart over on the right hand side here. Select checkout and fill out your information, and there you go. You've ordered premium rims for your car.